Today we're going to talk about author's purpose. There are three types of author's purpose that we're going to look at today: persuade, inform, entertain. These are the three types or three reasons that authors write, or that anyone writes a story. The first example of author's purpose that we're going to look at is persuade. The first example of author's purpose is persuasion. The author is trying to convince the reader to agree with something or to buy something. The author wants to persuade you to see their point of view. You're wanting them to change their mind or to agree with what you are saying. Some examples of persuasive writing may be campaign speeches, a commercial, a magazine ad. You may write a persuasive letter to your principal, to your administration, to your school board, to your teacher, to try to convince them to do a certain act or to change their mind on something. The next type of author's purpose that we're going to look at is entertaining. The author is trying to entertain the reader with a story about a time something happened. Fiction is always an entertainment story. Examples: Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Harry Potter, A Bad Case of Stripes. These are typically the novels that you read, your fiction novels that you read in class. These are fiction, so they are not true stories. The characters might be true, but the story and what happened around it are not true. The third type of author's purpose that we're going to look at today is to inform. The author is trying to explain something to the reader. This could be a non-fiction article about any topic. It also could include how-tos or a recipe. Some examples of an information text could be biography, autobiography, how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, or a book about animals. A lot of your non-fiction books are informational books. They are giving you facts and information about a topic. Let's practice. Read the following paragraph and decide whether it is persuasive, an information, or an entertainment story. I believe that there is no point in having homework. If students don't learn the skill in class, practicing at home isn't going to help. That's why I think there should be no homework in school. This is a persuasive piece. The student is trying to persuade the school, the teacher, the principal that homework is not necessary. Number 2, the armadillo is the state small mammal of Texas. This unusual creature is well known for being able to roll into a ball to escape predators. However, only the three-banded armadillo is able to do this. This is an informational piece. It is giving you facts and information about the animal armadillo. Number 3, once upon a time there lived a crazy teacher. She never assigned homework and had field trips every day. This is an entertainment piece. It is just telling a story about a person, of an event that could or could not have happened.